Morning, all of you, grade 10 student. So today we will discuss about your half yearly exam answer key set B. So first of all, you can open your question paper and match your answer with me, and then I will send the Google form. After that, you will fulfill the Google form, your class, your name, and after that check which question is your right and which question is wrong. So after that we will discuss those questions in which you have a. So first of all, we start from the uh, section A, mean 1 marks question. So here the question number 13. You can see here the resistance uh, whose B dash I graph is given below. So you all the student know B dash I graph mean the slope of B dash I graph is directly proportional to a resistance of the conductor. So here the graph is given and a graph is between B and I. The graph is a straight line. So this graph represents uh, here 9 and here 15. Means V is equal to IR. All the students know V is equal to IR. So we will find R. R is equal to V upon I. So understand the thing. V upon I is equal to 9 by 15. It means your answer is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So you can apply the right formula. So it means your B option is the, to tick on the B option. B option is the, so after that, uh, your second question is, wait, second question is, this is the question from light chapter. The image show the path of incident ray of a concave mirror. So you all the student know what is a concave mirror, whose outer part is polished and inner part get reflection. So you can see here the object is placed beyond the center of curvature. So incident ray are parallel to the principal axis. A reflected ray cut on the principal focus. And one more thing, uh, here the incident ray strike on a focus and strike on the mirror. Then the reflected ray are parallel to the principal axis. So it means the image is formed between C and F. So image is real and inverted. And the question is image show the image is formed between C and F. It means your C option is the right answer. So you check and tick on the option C. Option C is the right answer. So after that, after that, there is a assertion and a reasoning question. So in assertion and reasoning, you can see here question number 19. So a compass needle So you all the student know a compass needle is also a small magnet. A compass needle is placed near a current carrying wire. The deflection of the compass needle decreases when compass needle is displaced away from the wire. Mean compass needle is displaced away from the wire. Right answer. Mean compass needle, if it is close to the current carrying wire, then the deflection is maximum. Then it move away from the wire, current carrying conductor. Then the compass needle, the deflection of the compass needle is decreased. It means assertion is right. Now, reason the strength of magnetic field decrease as we move away from current carrying conductor. Right answer. Mean the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Mean you tick on the option number A. Assertion and reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So you tick on the option number A. Your option A is the right answer. So tick on A. So after that, move on the section B. So it's a 2 marks question from again light chapter. The question is, uh, yes, a concave mirror used for the image formation for a different position of the object. What interference can be drawn about the following when object U? You can see here, U. U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. All the students know, according to sign convection, object is always a negative for concave and convex. So U is equal to minus 10. From the pole of a concave mirror and focal length. So maximum time told you if the distance of object is less than that of focal length, it means the image is a virtual erect. Mean you read 6 type of ray diagram and understand from here if the object distance is less than that of focal length, it means you can place the object between C, sorry, pole and principal focus. That is the first image and one type of image which form a virtual, erect, and magnified image. First image. So we will calculate the value of B here. Position, position of the image, size of the image, nature. So clear from here, nature is virtual and erect, and draw the level diagram. Mean you can draw the diagram also. You will find B, and after that you write all these points A, B, C. So this is clear from these two. Means C part is clear from here. Your image is virtual, erect, and magnified. And clear from here, the object is placed between pole and principal focus. So you apply the formula 1 by V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. That is equal to 1 upon F. So 1 by B is plus, and U is 1 upon minus 10, and F is minus 15. Mean minus 1 upon 15. It means 1 by B, 1 by B is equal to minus 1 upon 15, and here is negative sign. So it move right, it 1 by 10. We take the LCM here, 1 by B, 1 by B is equal to, LCM is 30. Mean the value of B is a positive. It is clear from the first here 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. It means it is equal to 1 by 30. So it means image is formed beyond the mirror. B is equal to plus 30 centimeter. So this plus sign show that image is virtual. Image is nature, right? First point, position of the image. Mean image is found behind the mirror, mean other side of the mirror. Size of the image is magnified. It is clear if object is given. So it's a concave mirror because last point is you can draw the array diagram. This is your concave mirror and this is your principal axis pole. Here is the principal focus and you know the focal length. That what is focal length? The distance between pole and principal focus is called focal length. Mean object is placed here between P and F. So incident ray are parallel to the principal axis. A reflected ray cut on the principal focus. And one more point, center of curvature. If incident ray cross through the center of curvature and strike on a mirror, it means you can see from the left side these two rays are diverged, and from this side the ray are converged. So it means the image is formed in this side. So here AB is the object and A dash B dash is the image. So it is a positive because the distance taken along incident ray is taken as a positive. It is the right side from the pole. So it means it is a positive. And it will show first position behind the mirror and size of the image is magnified. The size of object is small and size of image is large. So magnified, nature, virtual and erect. And we last draw the level diagram to justify your answer. So you can check the answer. V is plus 30 and it is clear from here. So yes, next uh, your question number 25. Question number 25. Yes. Here, describe the activity of a level diagram to show the force act on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field and the direction of current carrying conductor. Name the rule which determine the direction of force. Mean here, your Fleming left hand rule are used. So you all the student know Fleming left hand rule state that if you stretch our three finger, thumb, forefinger, and middle finger, these three finger are mutually perpendicular to each other. Thumb represent force in a conductor, forefinger represent magnetic field, and middle finger represent current in the circuit. So first of all, you take a stand. It's a stand like this and take a aluminium strip whose length is 10 to 12 centimeter. Aluminium strip and make a hole and it is connected with a conducting wire and again from the right side it is connected with a battery positive, negative, and attach here a key, open key, and we place a horseshoe magnet here. So understand the concept. You can change the terminal of the battery. Here, this is the south pole and this is the north pole. So listen, if we switch on the key, then current flowing in a conductor. If the current flowing in a conductor, it means uh, it produces a magnetic field in a horseshoe magnet. And this horseshoe magnet, the direction of magnetic field in a horseshoe magnet is north pole to south pole, and the force exert on a current carrying conductor. So it means the deflection of aluminum strip is outward. First case, if you change the terminal of the battery, then the deflection of the compass needle is inward. So apply Fleming left hand rule. So if it like this, your hand is like this, it means the force exert on the conductor is right side. Mean aluminum strip is move away from the horseshoe magnet. And like this, it means you can change the terminal of the battery. Now this thumb represent force on a conductor. If current flowing in a conductor, then it produces a magnetic field, and the force exerted on a conductor is the inward. Mean this aluminum strip move inward and outward if the current flowing in a conductor. If you switch off the key, then aluminum strip is again returned back to its original state. Why? Because there is no current, no magnetic field, and no force exert on a current carrying conductor. This is the concept of your question number 25. You write this. After that, there is or part is given, or part is given. So you can see the or part. It is dangerous to and it is dangerous to touch live wire, mean positive red color wire, live wire or main supply rather than neutral wire. It means the there are live wire, neutral wire. You read domestic electric circuit, live wire, neutral wire, and a earth wire in a main supply. The neutral wire does not uh, contain any current. Neutral. Neutral wire mean negative. It maintain the neutrality in the circuit. So there is no current or potential, whereas live wire has a current or potential in it, and that is why it is very dangerous to touch the live wire rather than neutral wire in the main supply. Only the current in the, there is a three terminal, only one is a earth wire, one is a live wire, one is a neutral wire. Current is only in the live wire, so it is very dangerous to touch the live wire. Now the second part in household circuit, parallel combination of resistance are used. So you all the student know in household wiring is parallel. Why it is parallel? Because if one appliance is damaged, yeah, it does not work. It does not affect the other. If it is the wiring is series, if one appliance, yeah, one socket is damaged, yeah, it does not work. It means all the electrical wiring in your home does not work. So parallel arrangement is used in domestic wiring. It is to provide equal amount of energy to all the appliances. That's why we use the parallel combination in a household circuit. Using fuse in a household electric circuit is important. Yes. So electric fuse wire is a safety device. It is a safeguard circuit, and the appliances is connected to the circuit uh, from the being mean change the current in a circuit and exceed the specified value due to voltage and fluctuation or short circuit. So mainly the electric fuse wire is directly connected to the line. So this is the answer of this or part. Now Next, you can see the question number into a marks question is completed. So after that, we perform 3 marks question, means section C, question number 31. Here, uh, the voltage, the potential difference between the terminal of the heater is 60 volt. Mean B is equal to 60 volt, right? So current I is equal to 4 ampere. Current I is equal to 4 ampere. And what current will be heater draw if potential difference is 120? Understand the concept clearly? The potential difference of the thermoelectric heater, the electric potential is 60 and current is 4 ampere. So if how much uh, amount of current flow if the electric potential is 120? So it means according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. First case, so calculate R, a resistance in the circuit, that is equal to V by I. V by I, it means that is equal to 60 by 4. 60 by 4. It means 15 ohm current is flowing in the uh, electric heater. 15 ohm. Now, you can read next part. So if the electric potential is increased by 120 volt, then you find the amount of current. Again, I is equal to V by R. V by R. So maximum student do not understand. They directly find I, but we do not know about R. First of all, you calculate the resistance, then we will find if the electric potential is increased by 120. So here is 120 and the resistance is 15. So 120 divided by 15, it means 8 ampere current is flowing in the circuit. 8 ampere. Is it clear now? No. Then next question or part is very easy. So maximum student are confused. They are connected in parallel. So resistance in series are total. Just you add it. Very easy question. R1 plus R2, R2 plus R3. Mean one wire has a resistance 0.4. Second, electric bulb has 150, 150, and a rheostat. You know what is an rheostat? 120. Add these values 0.4, 150, 120. It means, yes. So you can calculate this 120 means you can calculate total amount of current. You can just add up. Just add up. 27. Clear? Maximum student are applied this formula R1 plus R2 plus R3. You can add these three resistance and you calculate all the just that's it. But don't apply here. The word is used series. So maximum student are use the formula for parallel combination. So just you add up. So you will get the right answer. After that, uh, this is the 3 marks question. After that, here question number 32. So an object 4 centimeter height mean, first of all, HO, height of the object is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. And is placed 15 centimeter from a concave mirror. Mean U is equal to minus 15 centimeter. And focal length, so it is clear from here, minus 10. So understand the concept from here. F is equal to R by 2. So if you calculate a radius of curvature, R is equal to 2F. You can understand where is the object placed. Mean R is equal to 2 multiplied by 10. It means 20. It means 20. So it is clear from here the object distance is given 15 and the radius of curvature is 20. It means object is placed between C and F. It is clear from the value. The object is placed between C and F and the image is formed beyond the center of curvature. It is a real inverted. Those students draw the diagram carefully and know about all the ray diagram, sign convection. Those student does not face any problem to solve this question. So it is clear from the value, means the object is placed between C and F and image is formed beyond the center of curvature. So the image is real, inverted and magnified. So you will calculate here what distance of the mirror should be screened to obtain a sharp image of the object. Mean you will calculate B. Think about here. So what is the value of V from here? So the value of V is always greater than uh, 20 because image is, this is your center of curvature. Center of curvature is I mean radius of curvature is 20. So the value of B is greater than 20. So how to solve? You can apply the formula 1 by B plus 1 by U. 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. To understand, 1 by B, 1 by B is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Minus 1 by U. So 1 by B is equal to 1 upon minus 10 minus minus plus 1 upon 15. The value of B is in the form of negative, not in positive. We perform the previous question, that is a real, sorry, virtual and erect. So here a real and inverted. So B, the value of B is negative. So here you will get the right answer. Mean 1 by B. You can take the LCM, that is equal to minus 1 by 30. So it means the image is formed at minus 30. You can see, I told you, the just we can see the value of first. The image is greater than 20. So image is found beyond the center of curvature. You can draw the diagram also. After solve the question, you can draw the diagram. Those student perform the numerical. So after that, you will calculate the height of the image. So if the image is formed beyond center of curvature, it means a real inverted and highly magnified. Mean the value of Hi is greater than 4, but in negative form, according to sign convention. So Hi upon HO is equal to minus BYU. So Hi is equal to minus BYU. You can apply the formula. Those students apply a right formula. Answer is right. Hi is equal to minus. The value of B is also minus 30, and U is minus 15, and HO is given 4. Listen carefully. This negative remain cancel out, and here is 2, and 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. It means the size of image is double, minus 8 centimeter. Unit is must. So this is the right answer. So you can go student draw the ray diagram and understand the concept. So your numerical does not yes. So B is minus 30, HI is minus 8. So I told you the object is placed between C and F, and image is found beyond center of curvature. So you're right. Here nature is real and inverted. And one more thing, here image is magnified. You can draw the diagram, but here in question there is no. So you can check the answer. Your B is minus 30 and HI is minus 8. And check your answer. Your answer is right or wrong. After that, move on the next part. Yes, this is from electricity chapter. Uh, the electric potential is 2 volt. The electric potential is 2 volt. Applied across the end of the wire is 5 meter length, and current is 1 ampere is formed through it. Calculate. So length L is equal to 5 meter, not centimeter. 5 meter. Current flowing in a conductor is I is equal to 1 ampere. 1 ampere. So B is equal to 2 volt. 2 volt. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So calculate R. R is equal to BYI. So BYI mean R is equal to 2Y1. 2Y1. It means 2 ohm. Next, you read the question carefully. Next, they ask first resistance per unit length of the wire. Resistance per unit length of the wire. First point. Resistance per unit length of the wire. Resistance per unit length R by L. It means resistance is 2 and the length is 5. It means you will get 0.4, and the unit is right. The unit of resistance is ohm, and the unit of length is meter per meter. 0.4 per meter. This is the first point, A point. B, the resistance, 2 meter length of the wire. Mean you will calculate the resistance in a 2 meter length of the wire. So how to calculate this? Mean that second A point and B point. B point is a resistance of 2 meter length of the wire. That is equal to the resistance per unit length multiplied by length of the wire. Length of the wire. So apply the formula. Here you will get the resistance per unit length 0.4 and the length is 5. Sorry, length is a resistance per unit length 0.4 and here 2 meter length. So multiply by 2, it means you will get 0.8 ohm. Maximum student use 5 here, but they ask resistance of 2 meter length of the wire. You will calculate it. Now the C point is C, the resistance across the end of the wire if it is double on itself. So use the formula for resistivity. R is equal to rho L by A. L by A. So according to that, you will solve yeah, R dash is equal to rho if it is double mean L by 2. It is folded mean length is half. L by 2 divided by if length is half, area is double, 2A. So it means you will get the right answer. The right answer is rho L divided by 4A. So according to resistivity formula, you will get the right answer to Y4. Mean 0.5. R dash is equal to 0.5. So this is the right answer of question number 13, mean 3 marks question. So your 3 marks question is completed. After that, your 5 marks question. Read the question, question number 36. So read the question carefully. Here, the image formed by a spherical mirror is real, inverted, and magnification M is -2. If the image is set at a distance of 30 centimeters from the mirror, where is the object placed? Mean U. And find the focal length of the mirror and list two characteristics of the image formed if the object moved 10 centimeters towards the mirror. So here, how to solve this? Here M is equal to -2 and B is -30. Maximum student do not know about why we use here -30 because here the real and inverted. That's why the B is negative. So apply the formula M is equal to minus B by U. If M is equal to B by U, it means -2 mean M is equal to -30 divided by U. So this negative remain cancel out and U is equal to it. U is equal to wait, negative 30. U is always negative. Negative. So here negative U is always negative. Negative 30 by 2. 30 by 2. It means minus 15 centimeter. You will get the object distance. Here the examiner asks, where is the object placed? Object is placed at 15 centimeter. So using the formula 1 by P plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay. So here you calculate F 1 by F because you will calculate the value of U and B. B is given and you can calculate we can calculate from here. So minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 15 directly we apply the formula. So here 1 by F is equal to LCM is I think 450 and minus 50 minus 30. It means here 450 divide by 450 divide by uh, minus 30, 15. It means 10 centimeter. Focal length is 10 centimeter. F is equal to 10 centimeter. Is it right or wrong? Minus 30 minus 10. So image is virtual and enlarge if the object is moved 10 centimeter. So virtual, erect and enlarge. Why? Because F is 10 and U is minus 15. Yeah. So next is next. Here question number a student want to project the candle flame. So how to calculate this candle flame? A student want to project the image of a candle flame on a screen is the 48. 48 centimeter in front of the mirror and keeping the flame of the distance is 12 centimeter from the pole. So just the type of mirror you should use first mean concave mirror. First here concave mirror. Clear? Second, you can see the value here. B is equal to B minus 48 minus 48 centimeter and object is placed U is equal to minus 12 centimeter. Clear? So apply the formula of magnification B part. Linear magnification M is equal to minus B by U. So you will get minus minus 48 divided by minus 12. So this minus cancel out and you will get minus 4. Minus 4. So you know there is no unit of magnification because it is the ratio of size of image to the size of object. So C point. How far the image from the object? Mean the distance between object and image. Distance between object and image. So we draw the diagram. How to calculate it? It is we move on C point. C. So here minus 48 minus 48 minus minus 12 mean minus 48 plus 12. So we will get minus 36 centimeter. Means your image is minus how far the image from the object is, that is minus 36 centimeter. After that they ask draw the diagram to show the image formation of the clips. But if you draw the ray diagram, then you know the focal length first. You know the focal length. So how to calculate the focal length? 1 by f is equal to 1 by b plus 1 by u. Directly you apply the formula. 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 48 and here minus 1 by 12. So 1 by f, it means you will get the LCM is 8 and here you will get minus 4 minus 1. It means minus 5 divided by 48. It means f is equal to minus 48 divided by 5. Means negative 9.6 centimeters. So think about, you will get the value of UBF and magnification also. So where is the object placed? The question arises. Mean the focal length is 9.6. 9, 9, 18, 18, 19. Mean center of curvature at a 19 centimeter approximate 1920. So it means the object is placed again C and F. Again we draw the diagram. You don't know because your value you will calculate UVF. So here 4 and here F C. We place the object here because image is formed at 48 centimeter. Focal length is 9 and incident ray cross to the here. beyond the center of curvature. That is 48. Distance between object and image. That is minus 36. So this is the right answer of your OR part. This is the 5 marks question. You will write all these A, B, C, D and draw the diagram. It's compulsory. And after that you write the nature, real and inverted, real, inverted, size, magnified, magnified, position. The image is formed beyond center of curvature. This is the concept of time oscillation. After that, your case study question. Yes. Insulated copper wire mean 4 marks question here. So first of all, uh, you can see the question number first. The strength of magnetic field inside a long current carrying straight solenoid. Where is the strength is maximum? Uh, More at the end of the center, minimum in the middle, same at all point, found to increase one and to the other, C. Same at all the point. Next, the north-south polarity of electromagnet. You know what is an electromagnet? Electromagnet means temporary magnet. If current flow in a soft iron core, then soft iron core behaves like a magnet. If you switch off the key, then soft iron core get demagnetized. That's why it is called electromagnet or temporary magnet. So here the north-south polarity of electromagnet can be found by using uh, Fleming right hand rule, left hand rule, yeah, clock face rule. Clock face rule. You know, if you draw S, mean the current flowing in clockwise. If we draw N, it means current flow in anti-clockwise direction. So it's a clock face rule. So your polarity of change. Now, third, see, third question. For a long, for a current in a long straight solenoid, north-south pole are created at the ends. Among the following statement is incorrect. We will find the incorrect statement. So you can see here uh, the field line inside the solenoid are in the form of straight line indicate that magnetic field are same at all point inside the solenoid. Right answer here incorrect statement. So B. The strong magnetic field produced inside the solenoid can be used to magnetize a piece of magnetic material like soft iron placed inside a coil. Right? It's not a incorrect statement. So C. The pattern of magnetic field associated with a solenoid is different from the pattern of magnetic field of a bar magnet. Yes. This statement is wrong. Why? Because uh, the pattern of magnetic field associated with solenoid is different from the pattern of magnetic field. You know, the solenoid behaves like a bar magnet. So this statement is wrong. Now, the D point. Fourth point, north-south pole exchange the position. When the direction of current through the solenoid is reverse, wrong. Mean this statement is correct. Now move on the fourth part. Fourth, a long solenoid carrying a current produces a magnetic field B. Along a axis, the magnetic field is double, and the number of turns per centimeter is half. And the new value of magnetic field. The new value of magnetic field is B. Read the question. A long solenoid carrying a current produces magnetic field B along the axis, its axis, if current is double and the number of turns per unit is half. Current double and the number of turns per unit is half, then the value of magnetic field is V. It's not double. So last your or part of this. Yes. A soft iron bar is enclosed in a coil of insulated copper wire shown in a figure. When the plug key is closed, the face B, this face B of a iron bar marked as. So you can see the terminal, the current flowing in clockwise direction. So clockwise direction mean clockwise rule. It's a north pole or a south pole. It's a south. So this is all about your uh, answer key regarding set B. So you can check the answer and match with your question paper. Thank you.